This is the superior surface of the human skull, NORMA VERTICALIS. This is the coronal suture. Okay, this is the coronal suture between the frontal bone and the two parietal bones. This is the coronal suture. This is the sagittal suture. This is the sagittal suture up to here. This is the sagittal. So this is the coronal suture, this is the sagittal suture, and here we can find, and this is the lambdoid suture. Okay, what is this? This is the lambdoid suture. Here this is the two parietal bones, two parietal bones, two parietal bones, and this is the occipital bone. Connecting two parietal and occipital is the lambdoid suture. Connecting two parietal and the frontal is the coronal suture, and this is the sagittal suture connecting two parietal bones. Okay, another suture may be present in 3 to 8% of the people. Here between the two halves of the frontal bone, here it may present, but it degenerate in the up to 6 years of the age. Okay, now hereby completed the first part of the sutures, and then we are to discuss the vertex. What is vertex? Yes, it is the bone, it is the skull, and this is the anatomical position of the skull, and in that point the highest position of the sagittal suture. This is the sagittal suture, and here may be the vertex. Here this point, here may be the vertex, is the highest point of the sagittal suture. Okay, then we are the vault means the total roof of this arch of the roof of the upper portion. This is called the vault of the skull. This is total portion is the vault of the skull. Now bregma is the meeting point of the coronal suture and the sagittal suture. This point is called the bregma. This point is called the bregma. And what is its important in the fetal skull? This is the site of membranous gap called the anterior fontanelis. Okay, and the lambda is the meeting point of the lambdoid suture and the sagittal suture. This is called the lambda, and it is also in the fetal skull. It is the common site of membranous gap called posterior fontanelis, and this bregma fuses in 18 to 24 months, and lambda lambda in the this membranous gap filled within 2 to 3 months of the age. Now this is the perineal, this is the called parietal foramen. Here one side I can found in my bone, and here maybe the other side, but it can't be found, maybe the this side here. Okay, and this is the two parietal foramen, and the part of the sagittal suture between two parietal foramen is called the obelium. Now what is the parietal tuber or eminence? This is the parietal tuber or the eminence or the parietal bone. This is the commonest size of injury. These two portion. Okay, these two portion of the parietal bone is the commonest size of injury. These two portion of the parietal bone, both side commonest site of injury. This is called the parietal tuber. And water. Yes. Is anything else? Okay, this is the NORMA VERTICALIS, all about the NORMA VERTICALIS, general features, sutures, NORMA VERTICALIS. Thank you.